Hi guys, today I have a video that's a little different. This is how to pull out stoppers out of your generally lip products and a lot more. So stopper is pretty much a contraption like this. If you can see, it's kind of like a funnel shape. So right here, the stopper actually came out from this Buxom liquid lipstick. I can show you this is what it looks like, and this is what my liquid lipstick looks like right now. Originally, it's just, you know, like that, and it stops the product from coming out all together, so it gets messy. And when you use the product a lot more, you know, you couldn't get anything out anymore, you can pull out the stopper and then you will get so much more product inside. So that's pretty much what the stoppers are. And of course, not only lip products have stoppers in them, so of course you have the traditional lip gloss. I think people started pulling stopper out of lip glosses first. Just pretty much about any lip gloss has a stopper in it. So this one has a little stopper right here. And of course this one is pretty new for me. I'm not gonna pull out a stopper. Once the stopper is out, it gets incredibly messy. And for liquid lipsticks, they generally have a stopper, and actually this is probably my favorite product to pull the stopper out of. Because liquid lipsticks, they are not very liquidy, they wouldn't run around all over the place. It's not like a lip gloss, it could leak in your purse. Liquid lipsticks are more solid-like, so really pulling out the stopper would just help you to access to more of the product inside, and it doesn't really have the downfall of being messy. And some other products that you might consider pulling the stopper out of are probably brow gels. This is some product I would always pull the stopper out of just because I feel you can get so much more product out of it. So for example, this one I have Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I probably would do the stopper soon because right now it really doesn't have much product on it anymore. I have to go back in to dip maybe 2-3 times to finish one eyebrow, and then that's when I generally know I could pull the stopper out, and I'm sure I can get so much more use out of it if I do that. But then I probably wouldn't do that for my mascaras, because mascara, of course, you can pull a stopper out. You can get more product, but for hygiene reasons, I don't want to really use my mascaras for that much longer. So I generally don't do it for my mascaras. And on top of that, without a stopper, your little wand will just get way too much product on it. Unlike lip glosses, you can blot it off or, you know, figure out a way to apply. Mascaras, you really have to be dependent on the applicator. You really don't want a big blob of product on the brush. You need the bristles to be separated. So I never do that to my mascaras just because I think the method really doesn't do me much of a favor. And there are some products I am more torn about. I generally can't really decide if I want to pull out stoppers out of lip glosses or not, even though this is the most traditional product, but it's really messy. I tend to pull out stoppers of the Buxom lip glosses because they have very little product in it. You can finish them quickly, and before they get too messy, you're already done with it. But for products such as the NYX Butter Gloss, they have so much product inside. By the time I got to the end of it, I'm usually pretty tired of it and I get torn a lot. And then another product that I haven't decided what I'm gonna do, this is my Grande Lash Primer. You guys know I love this product so much. I have used 2 sample sizes of this before, and both of the sample sizes I pulled out the stopper just because I feel I had so much more product left in the little tube thing, the little sampler. But for the full size, I'm a little torn. I honestly don't mind the messy application without the stopper. I think I can deal with it just because how awesome this product is. But because this one is a full size, I've been using it for a little bit, I just don't think it will be really hygienic to keep using it, and then my eyes get messed up, you know? So I'm a little torn about this. This is really all up to you if you want to pull the stopper out or not. But just in case if you do, here's how. I'm gonna switch the camera angle and then show you how I do it exactly. So the setup here is actually really simple. This is a product I'm gonna be working on today. You can see that it's a liquid lipstick and there's a lot of windows showing right here already. So I really couldn't get much product out anymore. I'll show you. So see, like it barely has anything on it. But I'm sure once I pull out the stopper, I'm gonna be able to get a lot more product out. So you can kind of see that window right there. It's just not really working anymore. And the tools I will be working with are, well, a few things. I grabbed them just because I thought maybe they'll be handy. The best will be a pair of tweezers, but for me, I just, this is my good pair. To pull out the stopper, you are risking kind of prying it outwards, so I don't really want to use this pair. I used to have a pair that I only used to pull out stoppers, and it got really nasty, so I eventually threw it away. So I probably wouldn't use this, but if you have a pair that isn't working very good anymore, that will be the best. So what I will be using today is actually this little cuticle trimmer thing. I just grabbed it because it's easy. You can pretty much use anything that with a little bit of a grabbing mechanism. So this is what I'll be using. This one isn't the best because on the tip this is too sharp. Rather than grabbing onto the stopper and yank it out, a lot of times it cuts into it and then just cuts through. So we'll see how it works today. And also I grabbed a little spatula. I might not need it in the end, but just in case, I have it here. So I always put a paper towel underneath just because it could get messy. I don't want to, you know, mess up my table. So let's just get into it. You can see the stopper right here. It's really just this little plastic part right here. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna try to cut into it a little bit so that I can get a good grab onto the stopper. So just dig in a tiny bit and then try to pull upwards. See? Oh, this one's easy. There it is, there it comes out. So it has a little product on it, but let's see how much more product we can get now. Let's go back to this wand. And you can see on the window. So because now I don't have the stopper, I have a lot more wiggle room. I can really maneuver the wand inside of the thing. Wow, look at all that. It's full of product on this wand now. And you can get a lot of application, I'm sure. So I'm gonna continue using this product now and probably just double the life of it. So like you can see, this process is actually really simple. If you really want to pull the stoppers out of the products, it's simple. It really doesn't take much. And give it a try. Maybe you will enjoy it or maybe not. No big deal, right? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.